Do you know why most YouTube channels fail? Because they choose topics that will disappear within 6 months to a year. You work hard for months, releasing video after video, and suddenly the views disappear. Painful but true. Now imagine there is a niche that will never disappear. Not in a year, not in 5 years, and not even in 10 years. A niche where just a few good videos can propel new channels to millions of views and quickly make them profitable. Let me give you an example. This channel gets millions of views every day. You can do it too. You don't need expensive equipment or hours of editing. I have a simple method that will show you how to make a viral video in 20-25 minutes using free AI tools. In this video, you will learn exactly how to create a 5-second hook that keeps your audience engaged, a 3-step script structure that keeps viewers watching until the end, and my secret method for finding the best free AI tools and producing viral content quickly. If you're ready to take your channel from stagnant to sustainable and profitable, stay tuned because what I'm about to show you could completely change the trajectory of your YouTube career. So, like the video and watch the rest carefully. It's very important. Now log into ChatGPT and upload a clear screenshot of your desired channel page. This image will help ChatGPT analyze your content more accurately and understand what you are working on. Then, simply write that you want it to prepare 25 high-quality professional prompts specifically for your channel. In a few moments, ChatGPT will generate the best, most creative, and most accurate prompts for you, using its advanced artificial intelligence. You can use these prompts to create engaging videos, produce unique content, and even grow your channel faster. Just like that, with only a photo and a few simple words, ChatGPT becomes your professional content creation assistant. Now, open Leonardo AI. At this point, enter all the prompts that ChatGPT prepared for you into Leonardo AI one by one. Using its advanced artificial intelligence and accurate image models, this powerful tool turns each prompt into a professional and eye-catching image. You will soon see that all the cat images you want are created with great detail, natural lighting, and different moods. You can use these images to create videos, social media posts, or even advertising content. Simply put, by combining the power of ChatGPT to generate prompts with Leonardo AI's ability to create realistic images, you can build an unparalleled collection of creative and unique visuals. Now, log in to TopView AI. After logging in, go to the Image to Video section. In this section, upload all the images you previously created in Leonardo AI one by one. Using its advanced artificial intelligence technology, TopView AI will convert these images into high-quality videos with natural movement and stunning details. Just wait a few minutes for all the images to be converted into lively and dynamic videos, as though they were filmed with a real camera. In the end, you will have a complete, professional, and high-quality video that you can use for social media posts, advertisements, or even YouTube content creation. Just like that, by combining ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and TopView AI, you can create unique video content that will capture the attention of every viewer. Now, open the CapCut program. At this point, import all the videos you previously created with TopView AI into the CapCut workspace one by one. This is where the creative part begins. With a few simple adjustments, you can turn your video into a professional and eye-catching piece of content. First, choose a suitable background song, one that enhances the mood of the video and matches its theme. Good music is the soul of a video, so choose it carefully. Then, move on to editing and arranging the clips. Put all the parts together in an orderly way so that the video's story feels smooth and coherent. If necessary, cut or shorten certain parts to maintain the rhythm and prevent unnecessary sections from tiring the viewer. You can also divide some clips into several separate parts to create a greater sense of variety and dynamism in the video. Now, it's time to add some visual flair to your work. Use effects and motion animations to make your video look livelier and more natural. Add smooth transitions between clips so that the scene changes look eye-catching and harmonious. You can also use color filters, lighting effects, and brightness and contrast adjustments to make the colors look more realistic and attractive. Next, match the background music to the rhythm of the video's movements to create perfect harmony between the sound and the visuals. This harmony will subconsciously captivate viewers and encourage them to watch the video until the end. Finally, when everything is ready, export your video in the highest possible quality. Now, sit back and watch the result of your work, a video created through a combination of a few smart tools and a little of your own creativity. Just like that, by using ChatGPT for the prompts, Leonardo AI for the images, TopView AI for video creation, and CapCut for the final editing, you were able to turn a simple idea into a professional and inspiring piece of content. Finally, when you publish the video, take a moment to admire your work, because it is not just a video, it is the result of your effort, learning, and creativity. Now, watch the finished video, enjoy the result, and I will see you in the next video.